This isn't just any car. It's a legend, a dream in Rosso Corsa red. But this Lamborghini has seen better days. Scratches, faded paint, a shadow of its former glory. Our mission to bring back the fire. The first step is a meticulous wash. We use a pH-neutral shampoo to gently lift away years of grime without harming the delicate paint. Every inch, every curve is cleaned with precision. Now for the decontamination. We use a clay bar to pull out embedded contaminants that washing can't remove. You can hear it working, shearing off invisible grit. The surface is now glass smooth, ready for the real magic. This is where the art begins. We use a high-tech paint depth gauge to measure the thickness of the paint across every panel. This tells us how much we can safely correct. We start with a heavy-cutting compound to remove the deep scratches and swirls. The machine roars to life, and with each pass, the damage begins to disappear. We then refine the finish with a medium, then a fine polish. This multi-stage process is crucial for achieving that deep, wet-look shine. It's a slow, painstaking process, but the results are worth it. With the paint perfected, we apply a ceramic coating. This isn't just a wax, it's a liquid glass shield. It bonds to the paint, providing years of protection against the elements, and enhancing the gloss to an incredible level. The wheels are removed and given the same level of attention. Cleaned, polished, and coated. The brake calipers are detailed, the tires dressed. No detail is too small. Finally, the moment of truth. The big reveal. From a forgotten relic to a showroom masterpiece, the Rosso Corsa Red is now deeper, richer, and more vibrant than ever. This is more than a restoration, it's a resurrection, a testament to passion, precision, and the timeless beauty of Lamborghini. Want to see more incredible transformations? Hit that subscribe button and join us for the next ride.